Hey everyone, thanks again for tuning in. I just want to do a quick little review of the Enacfire F1 earbuds. This, you know, all the earbuds I collect or purchase are mostly bass heavy buds that when you listen to like those bass heavy songs, you can really feel it like you're in a club or something. And this is one of them. It doesn't use an app, but you can, usual control from a tap from your finger, like to change the track, to skip a track, to stop when you receive a call, and so on. And this is the case. Yeah, it says Enacfire. And like most of the other cases, it has those heavy plastic, but it has like a leathery feeling on the top and the bottom. And here are the buds. There's the earbuds. And as you notice, some of this case is kind of huge. It's because it's also power bank. It's just like the MPOW M30 Plus. This one, see, there's the this port is a regular micro USB to charge, and this one is out USB to go out, charge your phone or charge, anything that has a little little thing. So that's that. And this has a few hours. This is the Enacfire F1. It has Bluetooth 5.0, and it has the Qualcomm 320 chip. The speaker size 0.6 millimeters. The battery capacity is 60 mAh. The playtime when you charge the earbuds, believe is like 6 to 8 hours, just the buds itself. But with the case, it's like a whopping 200 hours of playtime. The case capacity is 2600 mAh, and it's really built well. Of course, like if you drop it, it does fall out kind of easily if it bangs on something hard surface. But the magnets are pretty hard, if are pretty strong actually. Yes, it's 208 playtime charges for that with that case. And like I said, it's space heavy and it's really good. And it was only with in Amazon. It was, I'll leave a link below. It was only under $30. It's one of those budget earbuds, and I'm really happy with it. I have three of these that are at least that are also power banks. This one, the MPOW M30 Plus, also the Sound Peats. Excuse me. Excuse me. And also a Sound Peats one that's also around 100 hours of standby time. charge time with the case. Anyways, thanks for listening and watching. Please subscribe and do that thumbs up button, and see you on the next one. Bye.